Welcome to the best carpet cleaning course on the planet. And I don't say that lightly, guys. I truly believe that. I surround myself around champions. First, let me introduce myself. My name's Tommy, founder of Green Rhino Academy. I also have Green Rhino Project YouTube channel where I got over 700 videos showing me actually doing what I preach. What I do here is teach people how to start their own floor cleaning business, right? And do it right. So why do I call it the best carpet cleaning course on the planet? My goal is not to teach you for just an avenue to sell my products. For instance, I'm not going to give you a list a mile long on chemicals, further breaking the bank on products you don't need. Because guys, carpet cleaning is just not that difficult. I'll give you a short list of safe but powerful cleaning solutions. This course has no fluff. I'll teach you what really matters and save you the headache of overwhelming you that'll have you feeling like a chemistry student. If you do want to dive deeper into that stuff, no problem, that's all there in bonus content. What about machines? You know, one of the number one questions are, what machines do I need to get started? You may sign up for another course, which is selling product and equipment. And what they're trying to do is sell you equipment, but trust me, I geeked out on this too. And a lot of these portables that you're gonna buy are only gonna be good for you for a while, and you're gonna be shooting yourself in the butt. All this is in the course, all right? I tell you, educate you on equipment so you don't go wasting your money on an entry-level portable that just is not gonna do the job, right? For the business that you're gonna build, because you're gonna find this business is built that's a professional business, and you don't wanna be limited, right? So as far as specs on these portables, if you're gonna go the portable route, you need to know some things, all right? You do need to know some things, or else you're gonna waste a lot of money. Literally, I got a portable that I started out with, and it's been sitting there for 4 years. I pulled it out once, right? And when I did, I was like, oh, wow, I can't believe I started with this. My goal is to teach inspiring entrepreneurs who want to start a floor cleaning business to not fail like 80% of people do. What is all this knowledge if you can't get the phone to ring? Yes, other courses will claim to give you tools that'll help you start your business, when in all actuality, it's just stuff that you can create on your own online that still won't be the driving factor of your success. Maybe they say they'll give you a website under their platform, but what happens if their business fails? Well, so do you and your website. I teach you how to build your own website easy. Listen guys, if I can do it, you can, and I have multiple websites. I'll teach you how to optimize that website so you can get on that first page where you need to be. Because I embedded my SEO course right into the course here, and it will save you thousands. So you don't have to hire an SEO guy to do this for you. Listen guys, it's not as hard as you think it is, and it's very important today. I'll teach you exactly what the big successful guys are doing to get that phone to ring, not generic handing out cards type of marketing. Yes, all that's good, but don't you want to know what we're really doing? This is the best carpet cleaning course on the planet. And I'm proud of helping entrepreneurs like yourself succeed. Maybe that's why I was put here. I don't know. Because it's more than a business, man. It changes lives. It changed mine and many others out there, and many of my students. I get emails all the time, messages through Facebook, thanking me and saying that they took these IRCRC courses and just got overwhelmed, took mine, and I simplified everything down to them. So it just lets me know that I am doing a good service here. So you also get my How to Clean Hardwood Floor Cleaning course free when you buy this course. Otherwise, it's $299. Now, everybody knows once you start a business, adding on services is key for your success. So yeah, adding on hardwood floor cleaning, there's big money in it if you're in the right area. You'll also get my How to Make $200 to $300 an hour carpet cleaning. Listen guys, I use this on a daily and it works. Powerful tool, powerful system. Listen guys, this is a course, but there are no tests, all right? And there's no time limit, so you can keep checking back for updated information as times change, you know, technology changes, information changes. So I keep putting information into the course. So you just keep checking back. And if you haven't watched that lecture, watch it again, or watch it, or rewatch content that you have already watched. Just refresh your mind. All right, so no test, not needed. Guys, this is not high school, right? This is more like college. If you go to college, you pay them, right? If you don't show up to school, hey, you paid them. They're not gonna put you on detention. All right, this is called being an adult. So when you're serious about your business, you don't need tests because you're gonna be geeking out just like I do on this stuff. So with the purchase of this course, you also get access to exclusive Green Rhino Academy Facebook group to where students are in there and they're helping each other out. So literally you can be on a job and run into a problem and get on the Facebook group, let them know what's going on. And one of the students or me will just tell you exactly what to do, all right? And help you out. So it's a great support group and only through this course, right? So if you buy the hardwood floor clean course by itself, you're not gonna get access, right? Or any other courses. Starting the Carpet Cleaning Business 101 is the one that you want to purchase to get into that group, all right? So if you look below at the content, you're gonna notice that there's a bunch of lectures and then it says course complete. Well, that's where your course is complete, right? And that's where you get your certificate. Below that, it's all bonus content. This is extra stuff that I put in there. It's like every day on the job type scenarios and much, much, much more, guys, in there. So you don't have to complete all those to be educated enough to start your own business. All right, just get to where it says course complete, you're good. And like I said, you can keep coming back. For all the guys that are already in the business and they just need some guidance, and trust me, I've had people in the business for 20 years buy my course and let me know that, you know, the information I'm providing has helped. Can you imagine that? All right, so I know it works. And yeah, so if you're serious about starting a carpet cleaning business, this is your one-stop shop right here, all right? I hope to see you on the other side.